Hello everyone, just use some paper strips and tie them together like this in a structure of mat. Yeah, just like this. Stick these strips together like this. Yes, now fold them again and cut the extra part out. Yes, like this. Like this, cut it diagonally as shown in the video. We have made a fish. Take a sheet of paper and fold it like this as shown in the video. Yes, just like this. And yeah, now stick it together like this. Yes, and you will see now we are using scissors and cutting out the pointed ends, and we are making some flower like this. Add the two strips. Take a sheet of paper, now fold it like this, and using the scissors you have to cut the strips like this. Yes, now stick the paper and take a green paper and make the stem, and now roll the orange sheet like this, making a flower. Now take the green sheet and make the leaf like this and stick it onto the stem. Now take a strip of paper and two circles and one small strip. Make the eyes like this. Now make the small mouth. Now roll the strip from the other side like this. Yes, we have made a snail. Thanks for watching.